You're at a party, trying to impress that special someone with your wit and charm. But instead of standing tall and confident, you're hunched over like Quasimodo, searching for his lost contact lens. Not exactly the look you were going for, right? Fear not. With a dash of humor and a sprinkle of science, we're here in this video to help you transform from the Hunchback of Notre Dame to the Belle of the Ball. Let's dive into the world of posture improvement with some simple exercises that will have you standing tall in no time. 1. Back and neck pain. Constant slumping strains your spine, leading to those pesky aches and pains that refuse to go away. Studies show that nearly 80% of adults will experience back pain at some point in their lives, and poor posture is one of the main culprits. When you slouch, the muscles in your neck and back work overtime to support your head, which weighs around 10. Imagine holding a bowling ball away from your body all day, ouch. 2. Reduced lung capacity. When you hunch forward, your rib cage compresses, limiting the space your lungs have to expand. This reduces oxygen intake by up to 30%, meaning your brain and muscles aren't getting the air they need to function at their best. Ever feel exhausted by noon, even though you've done nothing physically demanding? Poor posture might be why. Slumping decreases your ability to take deep breaths, leading to fatigue, brain fog, and decreased concentration. No wonder sitting up straight is often associated with feeling more alert. 2. The proud chest opener. If you've been hunched over like a digital age golem, this exercise is your ticket to standing tall again. The chest opener is designed to counteract forward rounded shoulders, a common problem for office workers and phone addicts. Poor posture from slouching over screens all day can cause tight chest muscles and weak back muscles, leading to pain, tension, and even breathing difficulties. But don't worry, this simple stretch will help open up your chest, improve your posture, and make you look more confident, because standing tall makes you feel and appear more powerful. Research even suggests that open postures can positively impact self-esteem and reduce stress levels. How to perform. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart and your shoulders relaxed. Clasp your hands behind your back. Straighten your arms and gently lift them upward while keeping your shoulders down and chest open. Hold for 15-20 seconds, breathing deeply to allow the stretch to deepen. Repeat 3 times, increasing the stretch each time. Benefits. Stretches tight chest and shoulder muscles, counteracting rounded shoulders. Improves posture by encouraging proper alignment. Expands the chest cavity, allowing better breathing and oxygen intake. 3. The wall angel. Despite the name, you don't need a halo or wings to perform this move, just a wall and some determination. The wall angel is a game changer when it comes to posture correction. This exercise specifically targets the upper back, shoulders, and core muscles, strengthening them to counteract the effects of slouching. If you've ever caught yourself with rounded shoulders, a forward head posture, or tight upper traps, this move is essential for you. Many physical therapists recommend wall angels as part of rehab programs for those suffering from postural imbalances and shoulder mobility issues. Plus, it's harder than it looks, so don't be surprised if you feel the burn. This should look like a football goalpost position. Slowly slide your arms upward, keeping contact with the wall, then return to the starting position. Repeat 10 times, focusing on maintaining contact with the wall throughout the movement. Benefits. Strengthens upper back and shoulder muscles to improve posture. Enhances shoulder mobility and flexibility. Encourages proper spinal alignment, reducing tension and pain. Prevents rounded shoulders and forward head posture. 4. The bird dog. Don't worry, no animals were harmed in the making of this exercise. The bird dog move is one of the best full-body stability exercises for improving posture, balance, and spinal alignment. If you've ever felt off balance while walking or noticed lower back pain after a long day at work, this exercise is for you. Bird dog is a staple in physical therapy because it trains the deep core muscles, which play a vital role in keeping your spine upright and stable. Plus, it helps improve coordination. How to perform. Start on all fours, ensuring your hands are directly under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Engage your core and keep your spine neutral. No arching or sagging. Extend your right arm forward and your left leg backwards simultaneously, keeping both parallel to the floor. Hold for a few seconds, focusing on keeping your back straight and stable. Return to the starting position with control and switch sides. Perform 10 reps on each side. Benefits: enhances core strength and spinal stability. Improves balance and coordination, reducing the risk of falls. Strengthens the lower back and glutes, reducing pain and stiffness. 5. The dead hang. Ready to channel your inner monkey? The dead hang is a simple yet powerful move that helps decompress the spine, stretch tight muscles, and improve grip strength. It's an underrated posture hack that counteracts the effects of gravity pulling you down all day. If you've been slouching over your laptop for hours, this exercise will help realign your posture and relieve built-up tension in your shoulders and back. Studies suggest that hanging movements help strengthen the shoulders and prevent injuries, making this a go-to for athletes and anyone dealing with posture problems. How to perform: find a sturdy bar or ledge that can support your weight. Grip the bar with both hands, palms facing forward. Lift your feet off the ground, allowing your body to hang freely. Relax your shoulders and let gravity do its work. Hold for 20-30 seconds, breathing deeply. Gently lower yourself back to the ground and repeat. Benefits: decompresses the spine, reducing back pain and stiffness. Improves shoulder mobility, helping to prevent injuries. Strengthens grip and forearm muscles, improving overall stability. 6. The seated band pull-aparts. If you spend hours hunched over your desk, this exercise is non-negotiable. The seated band pull-apart is a game changer for fixing rounded shoulders and strengthening the upper back muscles. It helps counteract poor posture habits, especially the dreaded desk hunch. By strengthening the posterior deltoids and rhomboids, this exercise ensures that your shoulders stay in a natural, neutral position instead of rolling forward. Studies show that regular resistance band exercises help correct postural imbalances and reduce back pain. So grab a resistance band and get pulling. How to perform: sit up straight on a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Hold an exercise band with both hands, arms extended straight in front of you at shoulder height. Keeping your arms straight, pull the band apart by retracting your shoulder blades and bringing your arms out to the sides. Return to the starting position with control. Perform 15-20 reps. Benefits: strengthens the upper back and shoulders, preventing slouching. Encourages better posture and spinal alignment. Improves shoulder mobility and flexibility. 7. The plank. While walking the plank is bad news for pirates, holding the plank is great news for your posture. This core strengthening exercise supports your spine, shoulders, and back, making it one of the most effective posture improving movements. The plank isn't just about abs, it engages the deep core muscles, which help stabilize your spine and keep your posture upright. How to perform: start on all fours, with your hands under shoulders and knees under hips. Extend your legs back, balancing on the balls of your feet, forming a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core, keeping your back flat and avoiding sagging or arching. Hold for 30 seconds to a minute, breathing steadily. Repeat 2-3 times. Benefits: strengthens core, back, and shoulder muscles. Improves spinal alignment, reducing strain on the lower back. Enhances balance and stability, preventing falls and injuries. And that's a wrap. No more slouching, stand tall, move better, and own your posture like a pro. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a posture perfecting tip.